Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a number of different hair hacks that I want you guys to know about. Some of these I've been using for years and have kind of like saved me a lot of time and have been really useful in my hair journey, and other ones are some that I've come across that I thought that, you know, it would be good to share for you guys to know about. But before we get into that, if you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. My name is Julie, and on my channel you'll find lots of hair care tips, tutorials and hair advice and stuff like that. So if you haven't already checked out my channel, then make sure you do, and if you like what you see, then do subscribe. So hack number 1, stretching your hair without heat. So guys, I don't know if you've ever tried using flexi rods before for stretching your hair, but you really need to try this one. So all you've got to do is just moisturize your hair in sections, give it a good detangle to make sure all the knots and tangles are gone, and then use your flexi rods. The bigger the flexi rods, the better the stretch. Then once you put it in your whole hair, what you want to do is leave it on overnight for a better stretch, and then the next day once you take it out, you're going to get a nice kind of blown out look. And you know, when I tried this, my hair was like full of like bounce, and it was like, you know, so soft, and it just looked, you know, really volumized, and it was lovely. So guys, you definitely need to try this one. Moving on to hack number 2, and this one is bobby pins and a band organizer. So all you want to use like a pepper empty container and pop your bobby pins in and your hair bands, because guys, we know that we always lose these. They always, you know, grow legs and go for walks. We don't know where they go, but literally this is a really great way to keep everything in one place. So you definitely need to get one of these and store it away where it's safe. Hack number 3 is head wrap for busy days. This is one of my favorite things to do when I'm busy, whether it's, you know, quickly rushing to take the kids to school or going somewhere else. You know, this is a really good way to just quickly throw on your headscarf and go, and you can create so many amazing looks with this. So you definitely need to give this a try. Moving on to hack number 4. So this is deep conditioning without a hooded dryer or steamer. So if you don't have one, all you've got to do is pop your conditioner into the microwave, warm it up for a few seconds. Once that's done, you want to give it a good stir and make sure it's not too hot, and then apply it to your hair for a nice intense deep conditioning treatment. Hack number 5 is slicking your edges for longer. So once you've laid your edges with some gel, you then want to tie it down with a headscarf and keep it on. The longer you keep it on, the longer it's going to keep your hair flat for. So guys, it's a really good technique to try, so give it a try for laying your edges. Hack number 6 is avoiding blocking your drain with hairs. You know, when we're combing and detangling our hair in the bathroom, everything goes into the sink and in the drains. So if you put cling films to cover the sink, once the hairs go inside the cling film, you can just clear it away and put it straight in the bin, and everything is clean. Hack number 7 is washing your hair in twists. So what you want to do is detangle your hair before you wash it, twist it up, and then wash your hair. That way your hair is kept intact so that it doesn't knot up and tangle during the washing process. And then once you've washed your hair and you've deep conditioned, you can take out your twist and your hair shouldn't be tangled. Hack number 8 is t-shirt drying. So you want to use a t-shirt because it's less harsh than using a towel. This is more gentle on your hair and it's not going to be too rough on it. So definitely use a t-shirt and give this one a try, and it will keep your hair nice and healthy and good condition. Hack number 9, covering your greys. So guys, if you have some grey showing at the front, all you want to do is just get some mascara and pop it along the front of your edges. Luckily I don't have any greys in that area, but you want to quickly do that and that will literally hide them in seconds. Hack number 10, using a leg of tights as a band to create your puff. So all you want to do is just cut off the legs and the toe ends as well, and then once you've done that guys, you've got a band that you can literally create a puff with, and it's so easy to tie your hair and it keeps your hair in place. So once you've kind of created your style, all you want to do is just tie it up at the back, and then that's it. Simple high puff that looks great. Hack number 11 is adjusting and cleaning the Denman brush. So basically guys, this pops off the actual teeth, okay, so you can clean and get inside all of the brush. And also if you have very thick kinky coily hair, you can take out a few of the teeth to make it easier for combing your hair, for your hair to glide through the comb. And also if you want to define your kinks and coils as well, it is great for clumping them, making them really, like, you know, defined. So you definitely want to give this a try. And last but not least, hack number 12, and this is if you have really dry hair, guys. What you want to do is add a moisturizer, seal with an oil if you like, and then wrap your hair in cling film, and you want to leave that on overnight. So the next morning when you take this off, your hair is going to be so soft, so moisturized, and it should last you for a good few days as well. So you want to try this one. It is so simple to do, and I'm sure you'll be surprised by the results. So just showing you what it's looking like once it's taken out. It's going to look like really nice and bouncy and soft and smooth. So you want to try this hack. So guys, those are all my hacks for the video. There are so much more out there, but these are the ones that, you know, I've actually come across, as I said, or have used, which I really like. Let me know in the comments if there are any other ones that you guys know about, you know, because I'd like to discover lots more, and I'm sure there'll be other people that can kind of benefit. So make sure you comment below any new hacks, and also which of these hacks that you've already tried or you've kind of just discovered them for the first time. So it'd be good to know, you know, if you kind of gained something from this video. And also, you know, if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who you think would need to see this video. And also don't forget to subscribe as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.